Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gamahart and welcome back to another unboxing. Today I'm going to be unboxing a product that I've been wanting for some time now. That is the School of Affairs Special Edition. Let's go! Well, here is the package it came in. I have blacked out all of my information. You can see at the top that I ordered this from Weavers Shop America, which is a huge mistake of mine. Honestly, the School of Affairs Special Edition version from Weavers Global is a much better option if you're going to buy it. I was actually scared to buy it from there because I thought they couldn't products from Weavers Global to America, because I don't know, like, then what is the purpose of Weavers America? But I guess you can. Now I have something else on the way, which I shall do another unboxing on. Really, the Weavers Global version has a poster that the Weavers Shop America albums don't. So I'm pretty sad about that, but then again, the box is actually a little heavier than I thought. It's, as you can see here, 3 pounds. So I have here my handy scissors, and we shall try cutting. Now from the top, make it drop. Oh, be careful. Let's take a look inside. Oh, there it is. Is this a bag? Yes, it is. It is a bag. And here it is. Whoa, it's actually a lot bigger than I thought. This is compared to my finger. It's about 2 inches thick. Wait, it has 2. Is this supposed to happen? Is this supposed to have 2? I'm not sure, but okay. What I can feel, this is one single one. It is not 2. It's a cover. You can see, since it's one of BTS's older albums, kind of, is the mini album School of Affair, but a special edition. BTS second mini special edition. I think this says Sangnamja Bangtan 2014-05, which I think is when this version or the normal School of Affair dropped. Jimin, Rap Monster before he changed his name. J-Hope, Jin, Jungkook, Suga, and V. Over here says yeah. Then date, income, outlay, receipt, memo, ticket, coupon. I heard online that the Weavers Shop America albums did not have a 3D letters. This one has its 3D letters. Let's take a look at the sides. They're all white. Oh, let's look at the back. Here's the overview. Here's the track list. Has Miss Right, Joayo, Slow Jam Remix, Intro School of Affair, Namja, Boy in Love, Skit Soulmate, ODSO 1NG, Haruman, Tomorrow, BTS Cypher Part 2, Triptych, Dongle Breakup, Jump, Outro, Propose, then Sangnamja, Boy in Love, Instrumental, ODSO 1NG, Instrumental, Haruman, Instrumental, Tomorrow, Instrumental, Dongle Breakup, Instrumental, and Jump, Instrumental. Disc 1, BTS mini second album School of Affair Showcase DVD edit version, and then the DVD disc 2, School of Affair Special Edition making. Oh, so it shows like the making of this album. Showcase making, Anmu Yeonsu, self-camera, Showcase D-Day, interview, School of Affair, keyword talk, dream, happiness, love, and story, Sangnamja behind cut, and Haruman music video making. I'm guessing maybe because this is like a reboot, I guess what it's called, I have the official Comcast sticker, or maybe the Weavers Shop Global ones do. I'm not sure about that, but this is official. I've seen some armies complain about the condition in which they received their albums, and I do see some imperfections. Overall, this is in pretty good condition, I'd say. Alright, so let's get to opening. It's like a little box. Oh, it is a box. Like the whole album is like in a box. It says School of Affairs Special Edition, all their names, BTS, and this is the CD. It's very clean, it's new. No complaint there. Just set this aside. It says School of Affairs Special Edition. Has like this little like bookmark thing. Can I take this out? I can't. Do I just have to? Behind the book is the CDs, which have fallen out of place. The CDs just fall out. I did see some like glue residue on this part. You might not be able to see it, but there's some glue residue here. So I think these are meant to stick, but they didn't. I think this is one of the faults of Weaver Shop America, which is pretty sad. This is the showcase and this is the making. Can we lift this? Oh, and that's just the box. I'm going to put this over here. Let's focus on the book. I want to see the sides. They look like this. BTS Second Mini School of Affairs Special Edition. And then this is the back. Okay, just like an introductory. Second page. Ooh, they're all like little like comment things coming from all the members. I'm not sure if this is intentional. I think it may be, but there's some lines here. I think those are intentional since I don't feel any indents. That just might be the design. Right. Namjoon, aka Rat Monster. Yoongi. Seokjin. Hobi. Jiminee. Taehyung. And Jungkook. Sang Namja, Boy in Love. Music video, Jwaryong Hyungjam. 2014, January 26. This is Jungkook from the music video of Boy in Love. I think this is music video making. Here's Hobi. Oh! And Jungkook. It was so small I didn't even see it. Here is the photo card I pulled. I got Yoongi. I did see on Twitter that compared to the 2014 copies, the rim is actually a little slimmer. This is BTS Second Mini. Pretty cool. They're actually really thin too. I wasn't expecting them to be so thin, but they all are skinny legends. Hyungi, Taehyung, the boys, and Yoongi. I'm guessing this is either Jin or Jungkook. This is Jiminee. Got Taehyung, Jin, Yoongi, Hobi, Jimin. So I guess all of these pictures are basically just of behind the scenes. Here's Jungkook trying to look mad. He can't fool us. Oh, here's the showcase. 대기실 from February 11th from 2014. This is Hobi. He looks so young here, like younger. And all the pictures are in black and white. This is also cute. They had an iPhone. It really makes you think of all that they've gone through. This is the showcase, the Gongyeon from February 11th, 2014. Same day as the other one. You can all see them in their stage outfits and microphones. Probably performing Boy in Love. They had more of a rebel type of style back then. I think it's pretty cool to see the difference of their concepts back then compared to now. This is Haruman because they're on chairs. Here's Jungkook. It kind of looks like he's performing DNA there. They had all this passion, which can still be seen in their performances, but it was just so crazy how they were so enthusiastic or energetic back then. They have the same work ethic. You know, with time, everything kind of gets like a little different, you know? A different type of enthusiasm. They took a lot of pictures. This whole thing is a photo book. Got the red lights. It was someone's birthday. Happy birthday showcase. Kamjak Sengit Party, February 11th, 2014. And Hobie's blowing out the candles, which I guess they were celebrating Hobie's birthday, even though February 11th isn't his birthday. It's February 18th. Yeah, Hobie. He's an Aquarius. But everyone seems pretty happy. And back to performing shots. What's better than this? Just guys being dudes. And this is Haruman music video Jwaryeong Kyungjan, which I guess is the making of the Haruman music video. It's from March 17th, 2014. Have more of a black and white concept. I absolutely love all of them. I can't stress it enough. They're all just so precious. I love everything about that music video. They're all so happy too. All the credits, as well as the lyrics for all of the songs. So here's everything from Miss Right, Joayo, Slow Jam Remix, Intro, School of Affair, Sangnamja Boy in Love, Skit Soulmate, which is just a skit, it's not a song, and ODS Show Wanunji, Haruman, Tomorrow, BTS Cypher Part 2 Triptych, Dongle Breaker, which is Spine Breaker, Jump, and Outro Propose. And here, more of the credits. So yeah, this is pretty much it. So it comes with 3 discs in total. I guess this blue ribbon is to help separate the different parts, to help make it easier to pull it apart. Yeah, it's pretty easy to reassemble. And here it is, School of Affairs Special Edition unboxing review. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to Glamour Heart for more content like this. And I'll see you guys later. Goodbye!